So here's a hack I found to, if you're installing this new wheel on a smart Roadster, how to get the horn working without messing around with SAM stuff. So if you've already got a wheel with a paddle shifter, then it activates the horn by putting a resistance against the two paddle shift wires. Now this new horn just switches a switch between two wires. So these two wires on this 10-pin connector that plugs into the back of this, so they're all color coded. So brown and pink black are paddles, but then we've also got extra wires. So brown and green is actually the horn ground, so that goes to the ground or chassis ground. So I've tied those together and I've buzzed out the car side harness, which goes to brown and black. So we've got those spliced together. So you can see here pink and black and brown and green spliced together and go to brown and black on the smart side. So then the next tricky part is spoofing the resistance. So I measured all the resistance, and for the old wheel, when you press the horn, it puts makes the paddle shift wires go to 2.7k. So that means what I did is, through the horn blue and black wire coming from this 10-pin connector, through that there's a 2.2k resistor, two of them in series, so 2.2k, 2.2k, and then it goes to the brown wire and then into the brown wire from the car. So you can see here it's all in heat shrink though, so the blue and black wire goes through two resistors in this heat shrink, and then it splices on with the brown wire, and then that goes into this brown wire here. So that's just a quick and simple way to nicely do this harness adaptation. Thanks.